one of these, but in an easier way? Well, you need a thermal label printer. Duh! Hey everybody, what is up, and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a thermal label printer from iDPRT. The iDPRT SP410 thermal shipping label printer. This thing is awesome, and if you're looking to print shipping labels, but yourself, well, you might need this. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a testing and an unboxing, so let's get it over to Brad.
So we have a direct thermal label printer. Let's see what we get in the box. On top, we have some paperwork, a disc, as well as a warranty card right on top. We have a USB cable. This is some labels, so we can use this to get started. Here we have the AC cable. Then protected inside we have the label printer itself. It's really nice compact size. That's all that's in the box. Let's get that out of the way. So right on top we have a button, then with levers on each side. So this is how we'll take the top and raise it up and see the paper underneath. For an example, shows you the print and everything. On the bottom we got some rubber stops for the feet. On the back we have the USB port. Then we have the AC port and a power switch. A tray here for the labels to run off. So let's go get a closer look at this bad boy and start putting it to some use.
The iDPRT SP410 thermal shipping label printer is suitable for small businesses. This thermal label printer can meet needs on various e-commerce and transportation platforms, including eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, UPS, USPS, and more. With this desktop label printer, you can finish your label printing at home without ink or ribbon. It has simplified the process of printing labels, and it can be a useful assistant to help you save time and money. One-click setup on multiple systems, the SP410 thermal shipping label printer is compatible with Windows 7 and newer, 2000 XP and Vista, and Mac OS and Linux. This 4x6 label printer is easy to connect and print in several steps. Please download the driver from the website, and it's also on the CD when you purchase it. With the thermal commercial label printer supports print widths up from 2 inches to 4¼ inches, about 50 millimeters to 108 millimeters. It can print various types of labels through the thermal labels on any brand. This shipping printer supports fan fold labels and roll labels. You can print 70 plus standard size labels with it. Not just for shipping labels, but also for DIY labels, FBA labels, address labels, reminder tags, and so much more. It's got a high performance on speed and print quality. It's supported by 5.9 IPS, about 150 millimeters a second, high-speed printing technology. This label printer for shipping packages can print 72 sheets of 4x6 labels per minute, improving your working efficiency considerably. It also provides 203 dpi high resolution for users, so you don't have to worry about blurry or pixelated printing. And did I mention it has advanced auto label detection and portable design? This label printer can automatically adjust the label position with its intelligent paper return function. It confirms that each label is printed correctly. The label maker is so portable that you can lift it in one hand and put it on your desk without taking up too much space. Due to its excellent design and workmanship, their printer has been highly recommended by 30 plus professional media. Guys, make that 31. Good Tech Cheap says this is an awesome product. If you guys want to learn more information about them, check the links below. And a huge shout out to iDPRT for sponsoring this video. You guys made a great thermal label printer. This is going to save people lots of money not buying ink. Genius! But guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Get Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Matthew, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Da, da, da.